Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Whiteboard 101, the series in which I answer your most important questions about cryptocurrency in less than 2 minutes. And today we're answering the question, what is the difference between a cryptocurrency token and a coin? And the best way to explain this is to use the example of the Ethereum blockchain. Now, every time that a transaction is processed, it gets put into a block with other transactions. And once the computers mine or confirm this block, ETH is created and distributed to the computers that mine this block. In other words, what we could say that ETH is the reward for mining a block on the Ethereum blockchain. ETH is therefore the native coin of the blockchain. Anytime a transfer is made on the Ethereum blockchain, the fees are paid in ETH. Now, as time went on, people realized they didn't need to create a new blockchain for every cryptocurrency. And if we were to look inside the blocks on the Ethereum blockchain, we would probably find some transfers of ETH, but we would also find transfers of Basic Attention Token, or perhaps the DAI stablecoin. Now, when these Basic Attention Tokens or DAI stablecoins are transferred, the fee for transferring them is not paid in Basic Attention Token or DAI stablecoin, it is paid in ETH, because remember, ETH is the native currency of the Ethereum blockchain. So the easy way of remembering it is that coins have their own blockchain. A coin is the native currency of a blockchain, whether it's Bitcoin for the Bitcoin blockchain, ETH for the Ethereum blockchain, or Bitcoin Cash for the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. Tokens run on top of another blockchain. And one thing that can be kind of confusing is this thing called a stable coin. Now, as you can see from this official release or the official logo from Circle, they say that the USD coin is an ERC20 token. In other words, sometimes things are called a coin or a token, and the terms are really kind of loose, so it's not something to get too worried about. Just remember that a coin has its own blockchain and a token runs on top of another blockchain. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.